morning, everybody, and Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
You've been waiting for that all season, haven't you?
Merry Christmas!
Day 25. There you go. You're good.
Okay.
He even has sequins on his hat. You know, when you're here in Ghana, you get what you get, right? So it's day 25. Special, special day. This is our last gift to open.
First one I get to record.
And yes, well.
I haven't seen them.
Well, it's Christmas Day. So
Merry Christmas!
We want you to be here.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Alrighty, so let's open this up and see what we got.
Ooh.
You guys, I'm super excited about this. We worked really hard on this, and just to get it just right. And it is a spinning tool caddy right here. You get little directions. Look at him. He's already anxious.
Wow. How's that gonna work like that?
It's got a lazy Susan on the bottom. Is that what they call those lazy Susans? All right. Are you going to help me with this here?
Well, I thought you were doing pretty good.
Here, I think this goes in here. I think it's either way. One screw is longer.
No, one's fatter than the other.
Okay.
That one goes down. Whoop.
No?
The small one goes down. That one goes up.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think so, because we have to put this and this.
That's what I thought. This looks like it.
We are going to figure this all out for you, so you don't have to.
There it goes.
There we go. Short screw in the bottom. Then you're going to layer this on the top. And then we're going to put our little Missouri star on the top here. It's a little tool caddy. Isn't this so cute? I love this. First of all, I love wooden stuff.
And this up over here.
And
Okay.
and it's got spools, and the spools are wide enough to fit our Missouri Star thread, which is really cool because they're a different size spool.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I like that they have more on them. We've got this great magnetic piece in here for our little pins and things like that. They'll just stay in there. And it's conveniently made for all my tools. Look, let me show you. So we've got some little scissors here, the medium ones. We've got some big ones. We've got a rotary cutter. I just love this so much. It's so cute. Anyway, I always like to do something ta-da for day 25. And I hope you guys love this as much as I do. I also hope you have a really Merry Christmas. And so from us to you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Thank you for being here.
Hey everybody, we hope you've had a wonderful time enjoying the Jenny Box this year. It was really special to us to be a part of it with you, even though we're far away. And we hope you have a wonderful Christmas. And we will see you next year. Bye everybody.
Merry Christmas.